Hello everyone, it's early morning here, but it's too hot. I have reached to my village yesterday. After traveling a whole day and a night, I finally reached here. Actually, I need to get a gap certificate to get an admission. But I have forgotten all my documents and it's filed there. So I need to go back, travel back and come back again with all the documents which are very necessary and mandatory to get admission this year. So I need to travel back and come along with the documents. Started the journey back morning only. Filled the options form, college preference form in the bus. Selected 3 colleges. First I would not get, second I will get, and third I selected. I don't know why. It would be a long 2 days and 2 nights journey going and coming back, and yesterday's coming and going 1 night and 1 day. Totally makes continuous 3 days and 3 nights journey by a bus. As I am going there, I would like to show you how that place is and how I used to live there before exam, and it's basically a reminisce video of before exam, exam and after exam, and these many days I spent there. In memory of the place I stayed during the lockdown and before my exam, MHACCT 2020 exam. I would wake up around 3 or 3:30 early morning every day. I automatically wake up at 3 or 3:30 every day without even an alarm. After get freshen up, I would take my sketch pad and would go for jogging at around 5 o'clock. On the river bank, I used to sketch while coming back. This I filmed on a usual day of my life on 23rd of September 2020. This is the river. It has 2 bridges. One is for pedestrians only, so they can run, they can do jogging or exercises on this reserve bridge. In the afternoon, I got a parcel delivery from Amazon. Got the brushes for the exam, but they are broken and bent. I used to keep sketchpad hooked to the scooter and go for jogging. After running and jogging for 5 kilometers, I used to come back and I would start sketching. Then on 20th September, with few of my friends, we went to the nearby jungle. The friends, they met me when I was sketching on the bridge. This one we have come here, and this place is called like Magic Nala. These are my new friends here, and one is like
Ravi,
Ravi,
Shivam,
and that one is like the guy who arranged today's trip. This is the place where I cook. Here I practice and study. You can call it a study room. I use this wall as a display board. Started traveling to Nagpur for CET exam. Just now I have reached to Nagpur, and I have to find out the hotel first. We have to find out a hotel now to stay for 2 days. I guess like last night it was raining. So it was a whole night journey and finally reached in this cheaper hotel. It's good, like 2 days I have to stay this today and tomorrow the exam day. So I was looking for a little bit cheaper options. So this one fits in my budget, I guess. Single room, that's quite nice. What I have to do is, and today I will go to the service centers and all to repair my laptop and mobile. Both are not working. It's necessary to repair them first. Whole night I didn't sleep, so now only take some rest after getting fresh. I don't think I should go to the college because I know where the college is. So tomorrow only I can reach there. Today is the exam of CT first batch, means 50% students are appearing. So cheaper, like so much cheaper. The good thing is window this time I got here. Now I am in the ASUS service center in Nagpur. Tomorrow is my exam and now I'm practicing in the hotel room after coming back from the service center. It's evening and going out to purchase some stationeries which are required for tomorrow's exam. Nearby, I found this stationery shop, but it was quite expensive. The same items, same brands are available on Amazon for cheaper prices, but I had no other option than to purchase. At night, I started making a platform which is useful for object drawing. So this platform is ready now, and I have to cover this board also. And covering done. Hello friends, it's me Shashikant and it's the day. It's very long awaited day. I'm facing the exam today. Leaving the hotel room little bit early because I need to have some breakfast. On the street, I got this idli stall. These idlis were so delicious. Then after that, I reached to my exam center, which is Government College of Art and Design, Nagpur. After exam, I travel back to this place again, accentuated with fog how this beautiful place looks like in winter.